We are going to use complementary colors today, and we are going to use positive and negative space. So you're going to choose a pair of complementary colors. I chose red and green. You're going to get one full-size sheet of paper and one half-size. You're going to take this half-size and you're going to draw geometric shapes and organic shapes on the edges of your paper. So start out, these are going to be your positive shapes, the positive space. So I'm just going to cut out shapes. So take a pencil and start drawing your shapes. Make sure that you have a variety of shapes. So you might want some big, some small. This will be up to you. You can do 5 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to do one more. 7. So make sure that they're all touching the edges of the paper, but try to fill up that space. So you are cutting out these shapes. The shapes are the positive space. So I'm going to just cut those shapes out. Once you have your positive shapes cut out, this is the positive space. This is going to be called your negative space. Your negative space is the spaces that you cut out. So it's a space that's not being used. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the complementary colored sheet and you're going to glue this down to your paper. Now you want to choose one side to glue it down. I like to flip my paper so that you can't see any of those little pencil marks. So I'm going to flip it this way so you can't see any of those. And you want to line up the edges with the edges of your paper. So I can either do it on this side or I can choose to do it on this side. I'm going to go ahead and do it on this side. So you're going to flip it so you see the pencil marks and you're going to glue on all of the edges. So really get all those edges glued so that you won't have any paper flying off. Next, you're going to glue it down, line up the edges. And now you've glued your negative space down. If you see little edges flipping up like that, just go in and add some more glue. All right. Now you're going to try to make this as symmetrical as possible with the positive shapes that you cut out. If I were to take this and flip it like a mirrored image, which that's a good way to make sure you're doing it the right way, just place your positive shapes back into your spots. Like this. And then you're going to just take each shape and you're going to flip it like a mirrored image. So it'll be symmetrical. And there we go. Alright, now you've got your positive space and your negative space using complementary colors, and you're also showing symmetry. Have fun, guys!